Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about Khalifa University. We will discuss what are the requirements to apply for Khalifa University and how much the scholarship we can have in the Khalifa University and what is the application procedure to apply for the Khalifa University. So let's start with the scholarship. So there are two kinds of scholarship, one for undergraduate scholarship and another is graduate scholarship. First take a look at undergraduate scholarship. So we can see here scholarship for international students and scholarship by external sponsor for international students. So Khalifa University of Science and Technology offer following scholarship to sport qualified UAE national and international student enrolled in undergraduate program on full-time basis. So we can see here scholarship for an UAE national and children of Emirati mothers, coverage of full tuition fee, free university accommodation for eligible students, free weekly transportation for eligible students and textbooks provided by the university. So this is the scholarship available for undergraduates. Now we'll discuss about the graduate scholarship. Here the scholarship for international students. Scholarship for international students. Khalifa University of Science and Technology offers following scholarship to support qualified international students enrolled in graduate program. The university reserves the right to make changes to the published scholarship benefits and conditions without prior notice. So we can see here master's scholarship first. There will be full tuition fee coverage, textbook will be provided by the university, free university accommodation for eligible full-time students only, medical insurance for international students and mobilization, demobilization flights, coverage of UAE visa application fee. So this is tier 1 and tier 2 scholarship coverage, and for tier 3 50% waiver of tuition fee. Similarly, this is tier 4. Now we'll discuss about PhD scholarship. They provide huge amount of scholarship for PhD students. So we can see here full tuition fee coverage. Basic monthly stipend is 20,000 AED. 20,000 AED, if you convert 20,000 AED into, for example, into PKR, so you can see 15 lakh, guys, 15 lakh per month. It's a huge amount of scholarship, and additionally monthly allowance of 20,000 AED subject to approval and meeting scholarship progress criteria. So this also can be provided. So it's a huge amount of scholarship. Textbook will be provided by the university, medical insurance. Similarly, this is tier 2. This also have a good amount of scholarship. Tier 3, tier 4, you can take a look here. Different kinds of scholarship they are providing to the students. Now we'll discuss about the requirements, with what requirements they have to submit the application. Full admission requirements, here we can see. For master's students, complete bachelor degree in relevant discipline, and then GPA should be 3.0 out of 4. And also they need TOEFL or IELTS scores and minimum quantitative score of 150 in GRE. They also require GRE of score 150 with exception of Masters of Engineering in Health, Safety, Environment Engineering, and Masters of Science International Civil Security, where minimum threshold is not set. So for that, it's not that much necessary for these majors, but for other majors, they require GRE. Minimum of 2 referee recommendation, statement of purpose, and admission interview. Doctorate degree program application. For that, they require master's degree, minimum CGPA of 3.25 out of 4, and they need IELTS, and also they need GRE required for admission to all doctorate programs. Applicant for all the programs should attempt all 3 sections of GRE. English language has exemptions. If you are native speaker, then you don't need to provide the English language test IELTS, then you don't need to provide. And if you have all the education in English medium, then you need to provide the IELTS with a overall academic score of 6.0. I mean, if you are not native but you have done your education in English medium, then you need to provide the IELTS score of minimum 6.0. Conditional admission requirements. They have some conditional, like for example, we can see here this one: application who do not attain minimum GRE score required for relevant master's program may be considered for conditional admission. If the conditional admission is granted, the student will be required to achieve minimum GRE quantitative score of 150 by the end of first semester of registration. So you can see here some requirements, and there are some document also you need to provide: bachelor, master's degree certificate by UAE Minister for Beginner who graduated from the institute out of UAE, official transcript, TOEFL, official score report can be sent directly to GRE using institutional GRE code 0822, detailed CV and passport, valid passport, passport photograph, white background. International applicant who resident in the UAE should also upload the clear copy of their valid UAE visa, family book, valid UAE national ID card if you have, statement of purpose, and research statement. So these are the documents which you need to provide. And then we go here and apply now. In next video, or we can continue this video as well. It's okay. It will be a long video, but we can know whole procedure how we can apply. For example, apply for graduate program. So if you are a new user, then you need to create the account first, and then after you create the account, then log in and submit your application. And in submitting the application, if you have any questions, you can ask me, because I have already applied to that. So I know how the procedure. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.